as a human rights lawyer, well, not throughout the year I was working, but now it is slightly complicated because the team I used to work for is under persecution, and this means that me as a part of this team, I used to be and I am slightly now. It is a persecution, but I'm definitely more worried for lawyers and attorneys who are working there who are actually facing criminal charges there now. So yeah, there's always this some iron dome that's above you that might hit you or might hit you not.
But will it hit you?
Hopefully not. I really hope not. I really hope not. If I'm back in Russia, God knows. For now, investigation is ongoing. How it's gonna happen, no one knows. But fingers crossed. I am Arina. I am a student at LL.M Human Rights at CEU, and I come from Russia. This was a specific choice of mine. I wanted to come exactly knowing that we're going to have online classes at least for the half of the year. I wanted to come, I wanted to see the city, I wanted to meet all these people. And I'm so glad that actually people made it to Vienna and we met. I definitely wouldn't change anything. And I was very happy that we moved to Vienna, although it is not connected with a very good situation, with a very good situation at university and with the case. And at least I met some professors, at least I met some students, and we had our fun. We had our warm days and picnics. Got an internship. It is an organization founded by Russian human rights lawyers who are still litigating there, but they partly work in Strasbourg in France and work with ECHR, European Court of Human Rights, with other international mechanisms to try to push for human rights law. So yeah, we'll be a part of this team for a couple of months, and yeah, then remotely, a new interesting opportunity to discover. I had the chance to work the most with Professor Polkai, and she's very dear to my heart, and she knows she is. She gave me such a wide perspective on my work that I used to do back in Russia with CHR, with the sexuality and human rights. This was a very nice course. Yeah. And my supervisor, of course, I mean, I'm so glad that I have a possibility to work with him. Article 3 of the European Convention of Human Rights, torture and human treatment, degraded treatment. This is something that I cannot kind of comprehend until today, because this is a very big pile of cases in Russia, mostly prison conditions and detention. This is something that I cannot kind of grasp with my mind. How can you still, in a presumably democratic society, still torture people with electricity? I mean, I can never tolerate it. I will never tolerate it.
What's your opinion on Israel and Palestine?
Just kidding. No. You know, I did this post once on my Instagram, and I had an argument with like 4 or 5 people about that for a couple of hours. I'm not giving my opinion. God.